Hi guys. Um, we were sitting in the living room the other day, and hubby says to me, he goes, "What? Are you expecting something?" And I said, "No, I'm not." And the UPS driver comes out and he brings me this gigantic box.
This is a box from Beth, and I cannot thank you enough, Beth.
I have no idea what's in it. I opened it, and I'm not going to even try to get it up here on the table because honestly, this is a big box. And you don't need to see her address anyway. So I'm going to set it on the floor and I'm going to take out what's in it. And we're going to open it together and find out what she sent me. Beth, I have no idea, and I'm kind of surprised at this giant box. So, oh, well, she sent me supplies. Look at this fun paper. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, Beth. Happy mail. Sending a good old-fashioned hello. Okay. I've been having such fun watching streams lately, not just yours, but many, many fibs. I must admit, streams with you and Lisa and friends are especially my favorites. Well, thank you, Beth. That's so sweet of you. I think I was watching a stream with you, Lisa, and Barbara playing and creating when you mentioned looking for a sale on this. Oh, Beth. I hope the stream was not 3 years old. Anyway, I've had these for more than 3 years, and they are woefully neglected. I hope they find a happy home with you. If you can't use them, please try to find them a happy home with a fib, friends in the box, who will enjoy them. Oh no, she's lost a coworker to COVID. This is Bethany is actually what it is. It's Bethany. I have a feeling I might know what's in here, Beth. I cannot believe you sent me these. She did. Oh my gosh, Beth. Oh, Beth. Bethany. Oh my goodness, honey, you never even touched them. For those of you that don't know, I've been watching these and watching these and watching these, and they're just something I thought I shouldn't spend that kind of money on. Beth, I cannot tell you how thankful I am for this wonderful, wonderful gift. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, y'all. I think I've stopped my sniffling. Bethany, I cannot tell you how sweet this was and how honored I am for the friends I have made through my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. I'm going to be using these a lot. I love them. I cannot tell you how much I love them. But now, so that I don't cry again, I'm going to make some pages for my Happy Meal book. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do yet, but I certainly want to put my card in. Let's see, let's put this like that, see if that's going to sit. I have to make room. I didn't realize I was going to need room on my table. Set this over here because then I can just use it. I even filled up my water brush while I was sniffling. Okay. All right, let's see here. I want to put the card in here. Like that. Okay, so let's paint on our envelope. Let's paint on our envelope. Gosh, look at all these colors. Okay. Well, we need to make our happy face nice and bright. I might actually have to learn to paint. I loved to color with these. I love to paint with them. I love that they're permanent once you finish with them. Gonna put a shadow. Oh, just think of all the pretty bugs I could have made for my book with all of those colors. Oh, I will have to make more bugs just because. Let's make, oh, and the purples. That's one of the things my set did not have is purples. I'm going to do a little page in my little book. Oh, perfect. That's perfect. It's white, so it will show up all of the colors that that's in here. I don't know what exactly I'm going to do just yet, but um, okay, guys. One thing I'm going to tell you is that anytime you use any kind of water-soluble product that's in a case like this, you do not want to close the case up until they've dried. So I will set these out, and at least for 24 hours, even though I did not get them real wet, I will be sitting, I won't close the case up. I won't put them in a sealed case. Especially here in Florida, things like this can mold. And it's just not good for your watercolors or these inks. Bethany, I am just in awe that you would think to send these to me. I thank you. Just thank you. Um, I hope that our live streams continue to make it just a little easier for you and those around you. I'm going to read you a quote, guys, from the 1001 Ways to Creativity book, and then I'm going to go set these where they have a good space to sit out. The mind which plunges into surrealism relives with burning excitement the best part of childhood. Andre Breton. Sometimes I wonder about these quotes in this book. I really do. I think I'll try to find something different next time. Anyways, guys, go have fun. Make some art. Thank you again, dear. Bye-bye.